Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tamara and I run the beauty and travel blog Loverofshades.com. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe and then hit that notification bell. Therefore, you are notified anytime I drop a video, which is usually once a week. So although this headpiece is not fitting properly due to the hairstyle I chose, I decided to do another carnival look because as we are approaching Labor Day weekend, and here in Brooklyn, in New York City, we will be having Carnival for a West Indian Day Parade, but due to Miss Rona, we can't. But that doesn't mean that we still can't celebrate in other ways. And then it also helps you to prepare for your looks for the next time you guys attend a carnival. All right, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be featuring some oldie but goodie products. The JLaRue stacker, I believe this is their carnival stacker. And then some of Juvia's Place palettes, of course. But if you want to get a look like this or something similar, stay tuned and I got you. Hey everybody, let's get started. So first we're going to prime our face using our Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is great for oily skin and if you're going to be out in the sun and on the road all day. Next, we're going to prep our eyes using the P. Louise Eye Base, and this is in the color Rumor 3. I'm taking a concealer brush by Real Techniques, and I'm applying this strictly on top of the lid. Next, we're going to go on to eye, so we're using our Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, and this is the shade Kahina, and with a fluffy crease brush, I'm simply buffing this onto the crease. Next, we're using, I'm sorry for that quick cameo, but this color is actually called Candace, also by the same palette. And I'm taking a pencil brush and focusing this strictly onto the crease. Now I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil just because I really need like a dark purple blue color. And with that same pencil brush, I'm going to buff that out on top of where I put the Candace, that purple color from the Juvia's Place palette. I'm so sorry, I was getting tongue-tied. And I'm just literally just going to blend that out. Going back to the Warrior 3 palette, I'm taking this color Jerawa. It's kind of like a reddish orange. And with a smaller crease brush, I'm just going to buff that out on top of where we're doing our cut crease. Going back to that Rumor 3 eyeshadow primer base, I'm taking a flat concealer brush. So this one is actually by Bdellium Tools, and I'm doing my cut crease. If you need a refresher, I will tag that cut crease tutorial somewhere in this video because I just completed a tutorial for that. And your eye should look like this right now. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our JLaRue Rainbow Stacker set, and I'm taking this color pink. As you can see, is a very neon bright color, and with a flat eyeshadow brush, this one is by MAC, I'm focusing strictly onto the inner portion of my lid, and I'm really just packing that on. Using that same stacker set, I'm taking that color orange, also another neon color, and with that same brush, of course, I cleaned it off. I'm just putting that on the rest of my lid, and then once I do that, I'm focusing on blending them both together to avoid any demarcation. Just moving on to the next eye, but it's literally the same process, you guys. Now what I'm doing, and this is optional, you don't have to do this, is I'm taking my Tattoo Ink Liner by Kat Von D, and I'm drawing out my outline for if I was doing a cat eye. I'm not going to fill this in because you'll see what I'm going to do in a second. So what I went ahead and did on one side was a glitter cat eye. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the other side. So take any glitter you want. I'm using gold. This is by Cutie Pop. And I'm taking my eyelash glue. This is by Kiss. And I'm filling it in. And then what I'm going to do right after is take that same flat concealer brush and literally take that glitter and fill that into the outline for the cat eye. Take your time with this, don't rush. Take your time with the whole eye look because you don't want to mess it up. And this is how your eye should look right now. Now we're going to move on to skin. We will come back to the eyes in a second. So this foundation I'm using is Kampala. This is by Juvia's Place. You guys see me use it multiple times in so many different videos. So it's just the same process. I'm applying the foundation on my face. Next, I'm taking my I Am Magic Concealer, also by Juvia's Place, and this is in the shade number 12. Same process, applying it underneath the eye, and I'm going to allow it to dry to get more tacky. Now I'm going to do my contour. So I'm taking my Rich Honey Foundation Stick by Tarte. Same thing, I've done this in a complexion video. I will tag it for you guys to reference. And I'm putting this everywhere that I want to do my contour. And I'm taking my sculpting brush and I'm just simply buffing this out. Again, if you need a refresher on this, don't worry, I will tag it somewhere in the video, and I will also do a separate contour video for you guys. And being goofy, but this is how you should look. And I was really adamant about putting this frame in, showing you guys how I buff out and blend out my foundation and my complexion products, because this is very important. You don't want to have harsh demarcation lines anywhere on your face. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer underneath the eye. You can see me being careful not to mess anything up. Moving on to cheeks, I'm taking my Juvia's Place Saharan Volume 2 palette and taking those colors Tau and B and blending them together and putting it on the cheek. Moving on to underneath the eye, I'm going back to my JLaRue stacker set, the rainbow one, and I'm taking that shade Blue, and with a detailed brush underneath my waterline, as you can see, I'm just simply blending that out. And then as you can see where it goes to the cat wing, I'm going to go ahead and do just a natural gradient. You should look like this at this time. Don't worry about me being stupid. And then this is how you should look right now. I went ahead and applied the lashes off camera. The lashes are by Mesmerizing Beauty, so I'll tag them in the description box, so don't worry. And then for lips, I'm using my MAC Spank Me Santa. This is like a pinkish, nudish color, and it's one of my favorite lipsticks by MAC, actually. For the lip liner, I'm actually using NYX, and this is in the shade Hot Cocoa. And I wanted to do more of a natural lip because the eyes are so like bright and pigmented, and I want that to be the primary focus of my look. So I wanted to do more nude lips so it's not conflicting. And then on top, I use Neat Freak, and that's by the Shayla and ColourPop collab, but you can use any, lip gloss you want. Going for highlight, I'm taking the shade or the color AnGLOWla. This is by the Crayon case. And with my highlighter brush, I'm doing my highlight as always. And this is me putting in my ponytail, looking cute. Yes, looking cute, looking right. And just being goofy as hell. But now I'm taking my rhinestones. I actually got these rhinestones from Amazon, so I will tag them in the description box below. Sorry about the noise in the background. I'm so clumsy. But as you can see, I actually took some spirit gum. So I used that as the base for the glue for the rhinestones, as you can see right here. And then I'm literally taking the rhinestones on my fingers and just applying it on top. And then I'll hold it down for a few seconds until it sticks. And I just wanted to put in this frame because I was looking fine, y'all. But literally, seriously, take your time when it comes to putting on the rhinestones. And then this part was proven to be a little bit more difficult than I anticipated because of the hair, the way I decided to style my hairstyle. But this is me putting on the headpiece so you guys can get the full effect of my final look. And as y'all can see, I'm kind of like struggling, and I'm kind of like, I don't know how this is gonna work. You see, I'm holding it down, but we just gotta make it work. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but that doesn't mean we still can't look cute and make it work. And this is the final look. You guys are going to catch my final thoughts on the next frame. Thank you for watching. Okay, everybody, so this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I know that the headpiece is raising up a bit. That's due to the hairstyle I chose. If I didn't put two twists on the side with my ponytail, it would have sat perfectly. So I'm just pushing it down with my hand just to show you how it will look if it was fitting properly. I want to give a shout out to my girl Muriel for allowing me to borrow her headpiece because this is hers. Thank you so much for allowing me to borrow it so I could do this look. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I want to give a shout out to JLaRue Cosmetics for their stacker. I forgot the name of it off the top of my head, to be honest, but I will put it in the description box below, so don't worry about that. And then I also used some other products. The main ones I focused on was the Warrior palette, and I believe I used the Zulu palette as well from Juvia's Place. And I also featured very, very quickly the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, but that was just to get a deep blue. All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Go ahead and put them in the comment section below. Please don't give... never fails. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please go ahead and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. While you're commenting and subscribing, go ahead and follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at the username Loverofshades. And then also please go ahead and follow my blog, Loverofshades.com. Listen, I know I haven't updated it in a while, but I will be working on that this week. So by the time you guys see this video, it will definitely be updated for you guys to check out with new content. Also, I know that, you know, unfortunately due to this year with Miss Rona, that, you know, none of us could play Carnival, but I hope that doing this look gave you some like Carnival memories. And then also, if you want to achieve this look or even something similar, you could start practicing now for next year or whenever the next Carnival is that you plan to attend. So I think that is about it. Do I have any other comments or, you know, whatever? No, I actually want to get back to Brandy and Monica is battling each other right now, so I need to get back to that because I was having nostalgia here. But anyway, don't worry, I'll put everything that I use in today's tutorial in the description box below. Please go ahead and take care, stay safe, please, please, please stay safe, and I will speak to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for the continued support. Love you. Bye.